Vanakkam YouTube. Hello guys, this video is all about the basic bike maintenance, chain lubing and cleaning. We just need 100 ml of kerosene, chain lube, some water and an 8 tubular standard set. We just remove the internal sprocket fitting with the help of 8 tube standard set. You can see the dust particles in the internal sprocket set. So all the dust will settle here since it's a closed region. So it's necessary to clean this compulsorily at every 500 kilometers. Just spray some kerosene on it, and you just also spray kerosene on this external also to remove all the dust from the chain. You can use a paddock or something like acts as a paddock stand to lift your rear tire. You can see now clean with this brush. After applying kerosene, just leave for 5 minutes to the kerosene to soak in the chain, so that the dust particles can be easily removed with the help of the brush. See, you can see. Wait, yeah, you can see the dust coming out easily now. It's necessary to clean your chain at regular intervals, say 500 kilometers, no matter how about your ride is. To keep your chain sprockets life good. Now spray some water to remove all the dust particles with the kerosene. So if you use pressure gauge like sprayer or some, you can also use pressure tube and all to remove the particles from this. After cleaning this, just rest your bike for 10 to 15 minutes so that the sprocket gets dry. You can see how clean now the sprocket is. Now just apply the lube. That's it. The process is over. Just apply for some 2 to 3 rounds. The lube will get much better now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please support. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.